Hey, my friends, I Abhinav Negi welcome you all on India's largest live learning platform, that is Gradeup. So, how are you, commandos? Everybody, a warm welcome to all of you. Sandbook, I will be coming very soon. Okay, so my friends, how are you all, my friends? Everybody, please tell me on the comment box. So, my friends, strength of material series is going on. This will be the last session today. And my friends, this will be part 3, part 1 and part 2 we have already done in 4th and 5th of August. And today we'll be dealing with some questions that can be asked in the coming exam, my friends. So Aman Singh is here, Sandbook, Rahul Patel, Gopika, everybody, my friends, warm welcome to all of you. My champions, my commandos, my well-wishers, my students, let's start the session. My friends, my name is John. Oh, sorry, my friends. Just kidding. My name is Abhinav Negi. I have 8+ years of teaching experience. Done my M.Tech from IIT Delhi in Geotechnical Engineering. Got All India rank 164 in GATE 2012. My friends, I have mentored more than 20,000 students in offline for more than 8,000 hours. And these are the subjects I am taking in the Gradeup. Sandbook, I'm good. Vinod, Vinita Sharma, Aman Singh, everybody, my friends, a warm welcome to all of you. My friends, this is the mega mock challenge happening. And if you are giving this exam, please give these exams, my friends, so that you can check your performance on the all India level. This is the engineering services paper 1, that is the non-technical. This is the paid course. Name of the course is AIM ESC paper 1. And my friends, if you are interested in non-technical, then my friends, you can go on the app and take the free trial. If you like it, you can take it, as simple as that. In this course, we have 250+ hours of live classes, which you can watch infinite number of times. Study notes, tests, and practice questions will be there up to the exam level. My friends, this was the question I have given you in the homework. I hope you have done this. My friends, the depth of the flange, that is 10. And my friends, the depth of the web, that is 100 mm, is not given in the question. But just after the session, I have done my homework. I have written on the comment box that depth of flange is 10 on both sides and depth of web is 100. I hope you have seen that. So my friends, many of you have commented. Anamika, Gopika Prakash, and Yash has given the correct answer on the comment box on that link. My friends, what will be the shear stress they are asking? So my friends, everybody know this, that Q is equal to S into AY bar by I into B. But my champions, my commandos, I is in this section about the neutral axis. So neutral axis will be exactly at the center. Then my friends, many of you do what thing? This will be the neutral axis. You will find neutral axis first of that above flange, that 15 to 10. Then you will transfer it by it parallel axis theorem to here. My friend, no need. I am telling you a shortcut. Just my friends, do one thing. Just my friends, make it complete rectangle by assuming this to be rectangle also. Then I will be complete rectangle. This complete rectangle, you are making complete rectangle. It will be 150 into D will be 120 cube, 100 and 120 cube by 12. You are making it complete rectangle. From here 150. See, this is not 150. This is actually 50. So this 50 and this is 120. 50, 120, making it complete rectangle. So about this axis only, it will be 50 into 120 cube by 12. 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 This is for this complete figure, not for I section. My friends, how much you have added extra? My friends, I think you have added this rectangle extra. And this rectangle also extra. You have added these two extras. So minus this green one. What is the width there of green? The width of the green will be, web thickness is given in the question as 10. The thickness of the web was given in the question as 10. So what is this thickness from here to here? So here to here, my friends, it will be 20. So it will be B is 20 into D cube. D is of that green one, my friends, that green one, green, that is 20 width into depth will be how much? Depth is 100 cube by 12, and there are two greens, so into 2. So I will be, this is also about neutral axis. So this is the shortcut. This is the shortcut. Don't calculate here, then convert here. Don't calculate here, then convert here. Just make it a complete rectangle. Make it a complete rectangle of 50 into 120 cube. 50 into 120 cube. 50 into 120 cube by 12. And this green rectangle is how much? This is 50, this is 10. So remaining is 40. So half will be 20 into 100 cube by 12, like this. Now you can calculate E. Now my friends, if I am calculating shear stress S, shear force is how much? 100 kilonewton. So 100 into 10 to the power 3 into AY bar. My friends, where we have to calculate shear stress? We have to calculate stress at this level, within web, in the web, at the junction, at this black level. So black level, my friends, this is not black level. This is black at the level of black color, not black level. Yeah, you are thinking something else. So you have to calculate stress at black level. So area should be above that in this, and area above that will be how much? 50 into 10. Y bar is center of mass of that from neutral axis. That will be, my friends, 55 upon I. You have calculated from here. Whatever, calculate I from here. Then B is the width of the web. That is 10. If you solve this, you will get 71 point something, 71.13 or whatever. My friends, of course, I am not at all interested in calculation and never interested in calculation. My every commando, my every champion, please give me Y or N. Okay, many people are asking syllabus same rahega ki nahi. My friends, a complete session of detailed notification only for civil engineers. I will be taking my time, I'm not very sure, might be at 6 p.m. So remember the date, 6 p.m. on 8th of August. I will be taking session for you only for civil engineers. No electrical, no mechanical, no CS. Only kings. Kings means civil engineers. So my friends, what is the changes? Like, my friends, there are only two types of questions. First, objective question, out of 4 options, 1 is correct, and fill in the blanks question. Now one more category is added, that is out of 4 options, 2 can be correct, 3 can be correct, 1 can be correct, 4 can be correct. So a detail for only civil engineering point of view, I will be telling you tomorrow. So please do join that session also. So my friends, everybody, yeah, come on, please give me Y if you have understood this. Otherwise, give me N. Everybody, please do in the comment box. Yeah, quickly, guys. Quickly. Aman Singh, Gopika Prakash, Julie, Vijay Pal Singh Chauhan from Uttarakhand. Aman Singh from Gwalior has given it Y. What about others? Priya Dasni is giving me Y. Sai Teja. Excellent, Sai Teja. Sai Teja, I have my dinner. What about you? Have you done your dinner? Anjali is here. Aman is here. Sandbook. Sandbook, have you understood? Just share on the WhatsApp group here. Come on, guys. Now moving to the next question. What is, my friends, this is the expected questions, my friends. Okay. When the strain in a material increases with time under sustained constant load, suppose, my friend, there is like this and P load is acting, then this is delta. If I, in this bar, P is load acting like that for 2-3 years, then after very much year, this is extended more. That is called creep, and it is majorly due to dead load. My friends, but you know my technique, I don't only answer that question, but remaining things also. What is strain hardening? Because my friends, I'm not magician. Any question can be asked. Let me tell you, let me feel you what is strain hardening. Let me give you the feeling of strain hardening. This is like this now. Mild steel stress strain graph. My friend, here strain is happening without increase in stress. But this yellow portion, to make it strain, to make it more strain, we have to apply a stress. Because from this black point, not black level, from this black point, my friends, my commandos, the crystalline structure of mild steel changes. For further resistance, for further strain, it starts imparting resistance. So we have to apply more stress for having more strain. That is called strain hardening. Okay, of course, this question answer is creep. What is fatigue? My friends, suppose this is like this. This is any member. I make it like cyclic loading like this, then this, then this, then this, making this like this. So failure with repeated cycles of loading, deterioration, repeated cycle of loading, that is called as fatigue. And what is rigid body? Rigid body means there, if is any body. A and B are 2 points. You apply any force in any direction, in any magnitude, the relative position between A and B point does not change. That is rigid body. So only not one question, but all four I have tell you. My friends, the correct answer is creep. Can you tell me one thing? Can you tell me one thing? Beautiful thing. I have not only concentrated on that question, but related things also. Can anybody of you tell me the Young's modulus of rigid body? Can anybody tell me Young's modulus of rigid body? Please. Just feeling. Yeah. Come on, guys. Srikrishna, Julie, sing. Just call me Mahi is also here. My friends, here many people are here. More than 50 people are here. 33 likes only. Come on, my friends. Why only 33 likes? Just increase the likes. Just you have to press the button. Yeah, for me, for my tapping team, for my managers, for my whole staff, for content team, everybody here. Just, my friends, hit the like button very hard. What is Young's modulus of rigid body, my friends? I am not getting comments here. I am not getting. Varsha Prasad is saying 0 from Ranchi. Loku saying 0. Okay. Varsha, it is not correct. Loku, it is not correct. Anything else in Young's modulus of rigid body? My friends, come on, yeah. Come on, yeah. Just think, very easy. Very easy. If I make a stress strain graph, infinite, Avinash is saying correct. Aman, wrong. Yes, good. Yes, infinite. Okay, Avinash is saying infinite, excellent. What about others? Yeah, Azumale wrong. Sait is excellent. Gopika Prakash excellent. So this is a body. Stress strain graph is like this. Rigid means no stress, strain. So strain will always be 0. So this tan theta is Young's modulus. Tan 90 is equal to infinite. If you think in other way, if you want to another thing, another explanation, Young's modulus is stress by strain. For rigid body, strain can't be anything. Yeah, it is rigid. It can't be strain. So Young's modulus is equal to infinite. So my friends, 5 concepts I told you. 5 concepts I told you in this question. Next question. Next question, my friends. Young's modulus. We have not done one question till now. We have done 5 plus homework question, 6 question. The ratio of Young's modulus to Young's modulus rigidity. E, Young's modulus, that is not stress by strain, and yeah, rigidity is G. The ratio of Young's modulus of rigidity, Young's modulus to modulus of rigidity, E by G, of a Poisson ratio 0.2 they are asking. My friends, let me tell you one thing. Again 3-4 question यहाँ ठोक दूंगा मैं. 3-4 question यहाँ बोलूंगा. पहला question. For isotropic and isotropic, the number of elastic constants are E, that is stress by strain, normal stress by normal strain. It is G, G is shear stress by shear strain. It is mu, mu is minus of lateral strain by longitudinal strain. It is K, K is sigma by volumetric strain. E, G, mu, K. So total number of elastic constants are 4. So one time question is asked total number of elastic constant 4. Then one time question is asked independent elastic constants. So my friend, independent elastic constants are only 2. Why? Why? My friend, please check whenever question will be asked in IIT Bombay. If it is asked total number, that will be 4. If they are asking independent, it will be 2. Total 4 y, E, G, mu, K, 4. Independent 2 y. Please take a screenshot, guys. Please take a screenshot. Important relation. So suppose we know only K and mu. So from first relation, if you know K and mu, E can be find out. Now E is find out, mu we know, so G can be find out. So only with K and mu I can find remaining 4. Suppose I know only K and G. Suppose I only know K and G. So with K and G, E can be find out from here, mu can be find out. So any 2 I can find remaining here. Any 2 I can find remaining. So if in exam total are asked 4, independent are asked 2. My friend, can I ask you a question? इस क्वेश्चन को बाद में देखते हैं यार. इस क्वेश्चन को बाद में देखते हैं. Can I ask you a question? Can you tell me bulk modulus, that is K, of incompressible body? Everybody yaar. Everybody. Can you tell me bulk modulus of incompressible body? What is bulk modulus? It is hydrostatic stress upon volumetric strain. So hydrostatic stress upon volumetric strain is delta V by V. Can you tell me? Can you tell me? Can you tell me? Bulk modulus of incompressible body. My friends, just share the session yaar. Share the session. Number of people and number of likes are equal. Excellent. Just share it. My friends, make it 100 today yaar. देखी जाएगी आज. देखी जाएगी. K for incompressible body, for incompressible body, delta V is equal to 0. So delta V is equal to 0. So volumetric strain will be 0 by V is equal to 0. So K is equal to sigma by volumetric strain. It is K is infinite. K is infinite. So my friends, I have told you not one question, many questions here. Now coming to original question also. Coming to original. Use this relation. E is equal to 2G 1 plus mu. E is equal to 2G 1 plus mu. So E by G is equal to 2 into 1 plus mu. So it will be 2 into 1 plus 0.2. So it will be 1.2 into 2, it will be 2.4. So it will be 12 by 5. My friends, here, how many questions we have done? Not 2, yeah, 10 to 15 questions we have done. So K is infinite for incompressible body. Everybody knows who have understood. Give me Y. That means you have understood. Otherwise, give me N. My friends, I'm not wasting single time of you. If I'm shouting, if I'm making energy more, it's my style. It's my style to teach on YouTube. But my friends, I'm not wasting single time of yours. Just continuously giving concepts. Continuously giving concepts. So incompressible body K is infinite. Number of elastic constants 4. Independent is 2. Please see that question. What is given in question? If it is total, 4. If it is independent, 2. Why 2? I already told you. Because suppose you know only K and G, E can be find out. Suppose you know K and G, mu can be find out. So only 2 is required. My friend, this question very easy. What is stress? What is stress? Stress is equal to E into alpha into delta T. So they are asking delta T. Delta T will be sigma by E alpha. So sigma, they are asking how much stress they want. How much stress they want? They want 2000 stress. What is Young's modulus? Elastic modulus means Young's modulus 1.6 into 10 to the power 6. That will be plus 6. That will be plus 6. 1.6 into 10 to the power 6 into alpha is equal to 16.66. 16.66 into 10 to the power minus 6. Now my friends, I am putting my calculator. Where is yours? Where is yours? 2000 into 1.6 into 16.66 कितना आया? अरे मेरे तो 75 आ रहा है. 65 तो ऑप्शन ही नहीं है. My friends, please see. This will be, my friends, please see how much you are getting. Okay, my friends, actually 75 is correct answer. Actually, na, here it is 1.5. So then it will be 80. So whatever options, whatever, my friend, concept we got it, yeah. Concept we got it. Stress is equal to E alpha delta T. If you want derivation, let me tell you derivation in 30 seconds. Okay, suppose temperature is increased. Temperature is increased. So it wants to increase by this much. But some forces will come P. And how much is the elongation due to P? How much is the elongation due to P? It is PL by AE. And how much it has to put it back? This is increased by how much length? This is increased by how much length? It wants to increase, not increase. It wants to increase how much length? L alpha delta T. So this P will be coming such that, it will push it back to L alpha delta T. So P by A is stress, LL cancel out. So P by A is stress, it will be E alpha delta T. Like that. My friends, can you tell me example? My friends, can you tell me example that where there is stress but no strain? But no strain. Can you example when there is stress is not 0 and strain is equal to 0? Can you give example? Everybody, hello Shruti, Khitu, how are you? Everybody, my friends, please give me Y or N if you understood this. Can you example where stress is not 0 and strain is 0? Yes. I can give you example. That is a rigid bar, both sides fixed and temperature increased. So stress will be E alpha delta T and it cannot elongate. Strain will be 0. Strain will be 0. Excellent. Excellent. Ambar Datta is here. How are you, Ambar Datta? It's from Siliguri. Loku, awesome. Okay, my friends, let's AN style move to the next question. The deflection of a closed coil helical spring. My friends, let me tell you what is closed coil helical spring. This is closed coil helical spring. This is the spring is closed coil helical spring. And when we elongate this, when we apply P force, suppose this is the string, this is the spring, this is the spring. Suppose I come on my friends, suppose I spring like this. This good, I'm saying good. So my friends, if I this is spring, I elongate this, I elongate this, I elongate this. So this is elongated. So strain energy is stored. Now what is strain energy? Sir, feeling strain energy तो सब चिल्लाते हैं. Feeling बताओ. Tell me feeling. If this is increased, so some energy is stored in this. Because when I remove force, it comes in original position. So when I apply force, energy is stored in this. Energy is stored in this. Suppose I apply force, energy is stored in this. That energy is called strain energy. That value is P square. P is load applied. R is the radius of this from here to here, that is radius. N is number of tons. G is shear modulus, shear stress by shear strain. And D is the diameter of this, like this. So my friends, from here, delta by Castigliano's theorem is del U by del P. So delta is equal to 64P R cube into N into GD4. And what is stiffness? Stiffness is P by delta. So doing P by delta from here, it will be GD4 upon 64 into R cube into N. Okay. So I'm writing both of these terms here. First of all, what was deflection? Deflection was del U by del P, that is 64 P R cube into N upon GD4. And what was stiffness? Stiffness was P by delta. It will be GD4 upon 64 into R cube into N number of turns. Let us move to the question I have derived now. The deflection of a closed coil helical spring. The deflection of a closed coil helical spring due to an axial load is inversely proportional to rigidity. Delta is above, D is here, inversely proportional. Correct? Correct statement. Delta is proportional to 1 by G. Now correct. Second statement. The stiffness is directly proportional to the modulus of rigidity. So this is K. K is directly proportional to modulus of rigidity. Correct. Now, the stiffness of a closed coil helical spring with axial load. The stiffness increases with increase in radius. No, radius is denominator, K is here, so it does not increase. So B option. B option. My friends, did you enjoy this or not? Did you enjoy this or not? Yeah, come on, my friends, give me Y or N. You have enjoyed this or not? B option. 3 is not correct. Nah. Stiffness increases with increase in radius. No, K is directly 1 by R. Radius increases, stiffness decreases. Okay, my friends, can you tell me this? Can you tell me this? My friends, a gradually applied load W in suspended wires A, B and C D is shown in figure. The wires A, B, C, D made of same material and the same cross section are connected to a rigid block from W in such a way that stress by same amount. So my friends, what is elongation of AB? Delta AB is equal to PL by AE. So P by A is how much stress? Stress in AB is how much? P1 into L by A into E. So it is P1, length is 4 upon AE. Now delta CD is equal to, again formula is PL by A. P by A is stress, that is P2, length is how much? 6 upon AE. Now area and Young's modulus are same cross section and same material. So Young's modulus is same. Now my friends, same deflection should be same. Delta AB is equal to delta CD. According to the question, delta AB is equal to delta CD. AB and CD both should be same. So AE will be cancelled. It means P14 by AE is equal to P26 by AE. AE is cancelled. So my friends, P1 by P2 is equal to 6 by 4 is equal to 3 by 2. Therefore, you will get A option, and by clicking A directly from IIT, you are going to PSU. My friend, did you enjoy this or not? Come on, my friends, come on. 3 by 2, yeah, not previously, not B, it is 3 by 2. It is 3 by 2. 3 by 2, P1 by P2, not P2 by P1. Now can you tell me this? Stress at 1, 1. Stress at 1, 1 is equal to force by area. Now area is how much? 400 mm square. And force, my friends, you can see both options. You can see from left side 40 coming inside, so compressive. 40 by 400, 40 kilonewton means 40 into 1000 Newton. If you see from right hand side also, 20 compressive, 10 compressive, 30 compressive, and here it is 60 compressive. So my friends, this is not in equilibrium first of all. 30, 40, 60 going right here, left of the screen, and 40 going to the right. So this is not in equilibrium. So to make it equilibrium, this 10 should be actually this. Now 50 to the right hand side and 50 to the left hand side. So from left hand side, if you see 40 compressive coming inside, from right hand side 20 coming compressive, 30 coming compressive, 50 and 10 going away. So 50 minus 10 will be 40. Again I am saying from left hand side 40 coming inside, so compressive, so 40 compressive. From right hand side also 40 compressive will come. 20 coming inside, so 20 compressive. 10 going inside, 10 tensile, so 30 compressive. So 20 compressive, 30 compressive will be 50 compressive, 50 compressive and 10 tensile will be 40 compressive. So either you can see from right or left. It will be like that. Now if you solve this, then it will be how much? 400 by 4. It will be 100 Newton per m square. It will be 100 Newton per mm square. Excellent. Gopika Prakash, Loku, Agrawal, Varsha. My friends, can you tell me this? My friends, let me tell you one thing very important here. Summation Fy, you don't need to worry. Don't worry. Why? Because whatever the load coming inside, Wx plus 2Wy. So its support reaction will be coming of how much? Wx plus 2W into y. This will be coming. Okay, so reaction will be coming. You have to care about movement equilibrium. So this Wx to the left hand side will make it topple where? Anti-clockwise. How much? W into x is total load, and that can be assumed to be concentrated at center. Into distance is how much? X by 2, about this point. And from right hand side, if you see, this load will make it topple here. How much load? It should be equilibrium. Actually this is anti-clockwise, and that one was clockwise, orange one, should be equal. That is 2Wy into center of mass will be y by 2. So 2Wy can be assumed to be center into y by 2. That should be clockwise. So W to W will be cancelled, 2 to 2 will be cancelled. It will be x square is equal to 2Wy square. W is cancelled. X square is equal to 2y square. So from here x is equal to root 2y. So x is equal to root 2y. It will be option 2. It will be option D. My friends, why we have not considered summation Fy? जितना भी नीचे load आएगा, whatever the load coming downside, reaction will come of that much. Reaction will be coming of that much. My friends, please give me Y or N. Sachin Pandey and every other civil engineer student, tomorrow there will be a separate session only and only for civil engineer students. No mechanical, chemical, electrical, computer science, only kings, only civil engineers will be there, where I will tell you the detailed notification, like some multiple choice questions, and some questions will be coming in 2021. First time in the history of GATE that some questions will be coming for which not only one option, might be 2, might be 3, might be 4 is correct. So you have, if 3 options are correct, then you have to correct or put 3 options. If you put only 2 correct options, 0. If you don't attempt, 0. If you wrong attempt, 0. No negative marking. If 3 are correct, you have to put 3 correct. Only 2 if you put, only 1 you put, then also it is not correct. 3 means exactly 3. No negative marking for those questions. That everything I will be telling you in detail there. You can see on the time that, okay. So my friends, my commandos, moving to the next question. Okay, this one please. SFD and BMD. SFD and BMD, everybody. That will be on YouTube, Gradeup Gate YouTube channel. My friends, yeah. Let me tell you one thing very important. Just first like the system and share it with your friends. Like नहीं भी करोगे तब भी बताऊंगा. Don't like. I'm telling you. And somebody is new to the channel, please subscribe. Please subscribe the channel right now, so that no video of yours will be missed, whether tomorrow session or any session. Those who are new, please subscribe the channel. For me, you can subscribe, yeah. For me, you can subscribe. Now telling you one thing, very important. Many questions will be done. Excellent Chattopadhyay. For every symmetrical beam having symmetrical loads, very beautiful concept. Symmetrical beam having symmetrical loading. Always in this world there will be anti-symmetrical SFD, and symmetrical BMD. Always. See my friends, this is this na. So suppose this is symmetrical 10 and at center 5 by 5. So SFD is like this, anti-symmetrical, and BMD is symmetrical. Suppose this is UDL. So SFD is anti-symmetrical and BMD is symmetrical. Always. So for this question, and one more thing, if loading diagram is of n degree na, then SFD will be n plus 1 degree and BMD will be n plus 2 degree. So here loading is constant, uniformly distributed load, constant. It will be 0 degree. So SFD will be 1 degree, straight line, like this. And BMD will be 2 degree. So my friend, SFD 1 degree, BMD also 1 degree, can't possible. Loading diagram 0 degree, SFD can't be 0 degree, can't be constant, it will be 1 degree. This is not possible. So my friends, it should be anti-symmetrical, and the correct option will be D, because my friends, just write one thing on YouTube after this session, on Gradeup Gate YouTube channel. SFD BMD by Abhinav Negi. SFD BMD by Abhinav Negi. My friends, my commandos, I have told a trick there. Also, that is not trick. I derived that also in courses. From that 4 points only, you can draw any SFD, any BMD in 2 seconds. Most difficult question in this world. You can draw SFD in 2 seconds, BMD in 2 seconds. In that trick, I told you, whenever there is a point, here it is a point load, so shear force jumps. Okay, here is a point load, shear force jumps. Here downward load, shear force falls. So at C, it can't be like this. C, there is point load, shear force falls. So all these things I have tell you, this D is the correct option. All these things I have told you there. So how to draw SFD in 2 seconds by AN method. See, USK Weber, how are you? USK Weber, one of my finest student in vision. I think he's in 3rd year or 4th year. Very good conceptual question, USK Weber. Okay, so always come on my YouTube session, USK. Now, my friends, this question. Everybody has to do this. My friends, what is easy method? Now you can do in detailed method also. You can do in detail analysis also with cost variables. But one easy method is take it 1 meter. Let me tell you. My friends, when I was in 12th class and I have to give IIEEE exam. I'm good. Yeah, Joshit Singh, how are you, Joshit sir? Joshit sir is here. Please, everybody say good evening to him. One of the finest faculty. Okay. So Joseph sir, good evening. I hope you have taken your dinner with Ludo. Okay. Now my friends, see here. My friends, when you are in 12th class, oh suppose when I was, suppose not suppose, reality. When I was in 12th class, some questions like this come in AIEEE exam. Tan cube theta की power sec theta minus sin theta upon cosec square theta is equal to how much? Option A 1, option B 0, option C 2, option D 3. My friends, then what to do? I don't solve this. If this is valid for every theta, then for any particular theta is also valid. I put any particular theta, suppose 0 degree or whatever. So whatever answer is coming, that is valid for all. Now suppose it is coming two options, move forward like that. So my friends, yes, you can do complete analysis also. But if that is a general thing, that for particular thing it is also applicable now. If a particular thing is applicable for general, I can't say. But if a thing is valid for all things, for particular thing it is valid. So this theta is valid for everything, then for any particular theta it is valid. Similarly, my friends, if you want detailed analysis, you can do. What I do, I will take it as 1 meter and 1 meter. Like this. Now, if this is 1 meter and 1 meter, then you can, even in a simply separated view shown in the figure, if dimensions of AC and BC are doubled, then if dimensions of AC and BC are doubled, then the bending moment and shear force at C, they are asking that what is bending moment and shear force. Okay, they are asking this. So for a particular value also, you can do that. So L by 2 or anything like bending moment is equal to WL square by 8 na. So you take any value other and do like that. Any value other, and you can check it. What is coming in a simply supported beam shown in the figure. If dimensions of AC and BC are doubled, then the bending moment and shear force at C will be such that you can do this question by taking any value. Okay, so I think you can do it now like that. Okay, so moving to the next question. Any value you can take here, any value you can take and check. Any value, my friends, my commandos, my champions, and you can check that. Okay, now, and my friend, option can be E, none of these also. Take this also, none of these also you can take. Okay, option E can be none of these. Option F, take this, not a single answer, like that also. Okay, not a single answer. So anything can happen. Just think that. Okay, yes, if C is middle point, it will be 0. But if C is any other point, it might be changing. Okay, so USK, I am putting more options. Actually, I put more options for typing team, but they only type 4 because usually there are 4 options. So my friends, not a single answer. F, we can't comment. F options mean can't say, or make it like only one more option, can't say, or one more, F, none of these. Okay, so please analyze on this, and if anything is happened, please put on the comment box below on the doubt section, and I will answer then. Okay, so I'm letting it on you, my friend. This is some interesting question. This is not homework question that I will tell the names of the person who will give. This is not homework question. This is the question for your brain, and 6 options. This option for your brain. C point is at middle, or if it's somewhere else, what will be the change? Okay, now my friends, can you do this? Guys? What is the stiffness constant associated with the system? It is not hinge here. Suppose here the load is acting as P. So my friend, this is the cantilever, length L, E and I, and my champions. Load is acting here P, and from below spring there will be some load F, and you know all F is equal to K delta. So the net deflection of this point B due to P minus F load is equal to P minus F into L cube by 3EI. Harshit, please check all the points, middle point also and all points. Then we'll analyze that. P minus F into L cube by 3EI. Like that. P minus F into L cube by 3EI. P downward, F due to spring upward. Like this. Okay. Now what is stiffness? Now what is stiffness? K. K stiffness is they're asking. What is the stiffness constant associated with the system shown above when a concentrated load P is there? So they're asking stiffness P by delta from there. They're asking, and P by delta will be from here. It will be 3EI upon L cube plus, if I do P by delta, then it will be like this, plus F into, my friends, please solve this. P by delta they are asking. P by delta. So it will be P minus F into L cube by 3EI plus F by delta, it will be K. D option. My friends, have you understood or not? This stiffness is due to spray and this due to beam, and this stiffness is due to spring. See, delta is equal to PL cube by 3I now. This delta due to beam, what is P by delta? It is 3EI upon L cube. Due to beam and due to spring there is K stiffness, more stiffness. So it is 3EI L cube plus K. Again I am telling. Delta is equal to PL cube by 3I. You know this. So P by delta is called stiffness. It will be 3I EI by L cube. That is due to beam. That is due to EI. That is due to flexural rigidity. So this much is the stiffness due to beam, and this much is the stiffness due to spring. This is due to spring, due to beam, due to EI, due to spring. D option. Okay, can you tell me this? A cantilever has a rectangular section and supported concentrated load at its free end. At its free end there is a concentrated load P. Length is L, it is E, it is I. So delta is equal to PL cube by 3EI. If depth and width of the beam are doubled, so P there is no change, L there is no change, 3 there is no change, E is not changed. So delta is inversely proportional to I. Because L I am not changing, P I am not changing. What is changing? What is changing according to the question? If depth and width of the beam sections are doubled. So I is equal to, you know, BD cube by 12. So if it is doubled, so it is, my friends, if B and D are doubled, I will becomes how much times? 16I. I will becomes how much? 16I. So earlier the deflection will be PL cube by 3EI. Now deflection will be PL cube 3E by 16I. My God. Every other than I, nothing is changed. So what is percentage change they are asking? will reduce what percentage of the final deflection? Can you tell me this? What is the percentage coming? The deflection of the free end of the cantilever will reduce to what percentage? So it will be what percentage it is changing? It will be 1 minus 1 by 16 upon 1 into 100. Can you tell me the answer? Percentage change? It is 93.75% is remaining, so percentage change will be 6.25%. Percentage change will be 6.25%. Please read the question again. Deflection at free end of the cantilever will reduce to what percentage? Will reduce to what percentage? So my friends, it will be 6.25%. So it is now 1 by 16. Earlier it was 1 into 100. So it is like 16.25. And change is 93.75%. Okay. And it is only 6.25. How I have told you, I am again asking, again telling, delta is directly proportional to I. So now it is 16I. So what is this of this percentage? So 1 by 16I now, 1 by I earlier into 100. This will be 6.25%. Okay. Now my friend, this question is homework. Please write the answers in the comment box below. Please write the answer comment box below, and whenever I will take next section tomorrow, I will announce the name of the students who have given the correct answer. Tomorrow is not any technical session, but tomorrow I will discuss only about civil. No mechanical, no electrical, no electronics, only kings. So what are the changes in gate? What are the other options civil can give other than civil engineering? How much rank you should know for getting PSUs? How much rank you should get for getting NIT's admission? How much rank for ISC? How much rank for IIT? Which branches you should choose if you are searching for placement? If you are preparing for other competitive exams during M.Tech, which branch, which M.Tech you should choose for placement? Which branch, which M.Tech you should choose for this thing? Which research, which branch, which IIT you should choose? And from PSU M.Tech what to choose, and what are the changes? Major thing is what are the changes that have come in the notification that I will discuss. Okay. Thank you my friends. So all these questions you can try of your own, but I will discuss only this one. Okay, tomorrow. So this is the Vision Batch 3 that is for GATE and ESC for both. Please like the session. This is GATE and ESC. Complete syllabus will be done. Technical also, non-technical also. Technical also, non-technical also. Complete syllabus will be providing. Okay. India's best faculty is there. You can take the free trial. 750+ hours of live classes which you can watch again infinite number of times. 7,000 practice questions, study notes, full length test, daily test. For any information, this number. Time, I'm not sure, 6 p.m. that you can check on the Gradeup Gate YouTube channel. Okay, so tomorrow we'll meet for this Vision Batch 3 in which we are completing the ESC and GATE complete technical and non-technical syllabus. GATE qualified students, government college students and ESC prelims qualified students will be getting 50% discount. So my friends, do one thing now. On the Gradeup app, just write my name, Abhinav Negi. On the comment box, I'm writing a comment. Hi, I've written. You can check the spelling. On the Gradeup app now, there is search option. Write my name, Abhinav Negi. And if you want, you can follow me. What happens if you follow me? That no, whatever session I will be taking, you will not miss anything. And my friends, my commandos, within 2-3 days, I will be starting a habit that I will post certain important questions, certain important concepts, certain short tricks there. From 2-3 days, I am regularly will be doing this in coming 2-3 days throughout the year. So if you follow me, you will get those notifications, those important things. बुलाती है मगर जाने का नहीं. Prep smart, be safe, go Gradeup. Thank you all of you. Have a good night, my friends. Enjoy. Thank you guys. So nice of you all. Enjoy it with you every time. Thank you.